Not mine, but someone told me once she pulled what she thought was a scab and it was a nerve ending. She ended up blacking out. What do you mean? It was a nerve ending. Hello my loves and welcome to my channel. My name is Jess if you're new around here, and if you're not new around here, welcome back sweetheart. It's a joy to have your beautiful face here today. Today I decided to have a little bit of a different background. Not really sure what I think. What do you think? Today I'm going to be talking about nipple piercing horror stories. I have wanted to make a video like this for a while, and so here I am making it happen, babes. I had a nipple piercing quite a few years ago now. It got infected and it was fucking horrible. Like, it was so bad. It was just, honestly, it was so bad. And it just led me to wonder about other people's stories. Because, like, you know, you hear about it getting caught and stuff, but, like, there are so many fucking people in the world that have had nipple piercings. And there's got to be a fucking plethora of things that has gone wrong. Or, do you know what I mean? There's got to be more than just, like, having it tugged so much that it hurts or bleeds, you know? Right, let me tell you about my nipple infection story. It's a bit of a long one. It's not really a bit of a long one. It just lasted a while. So I got my nipple pierced, I must have been 18, and my body is like quite slow at healing piercings anyway. Like, I had my belly button pierced. I had to take it out because it just never healed. Like, over a year it never healed. My ears, they take ages to heal as well. The only one that was like quick enough to heal was my septum, and that's because it's salty as fuck in there 24/7. So I reckon that's why it healed so quickly. But I started to notice my nipple was itching, like my actual nipple, and I get eczema anyway, right? So I was just like, this is a bit weird. It's a bit weird because there's a piercing. If there was no piercing there and I had an itchy nipple, I really wouldn't have thought much about it. I would have just put some like regular smegular cream on it, but it was itchy. Any eczema sufferers out there, you know how it be. It's fucking hard as fuck not to itch it, and people are like, oh, don't itch it, don't itch it. But look, babes, you don't get it. If you've not got eczema, you don't understand the pleasure you get out of itching your eczema. It started off as nothing, but the more it started to itch, eczema started to develop. Obviously the skin on your nipple is so thin that it would be, it's able to break more. The skin can break a lot more easily. So that's what happened. It literally just started like being pussy. The skin was open basically from where I'd been itching it. And it got to a point where I wasn't itching it anymore. I was just like, it was my left one. I was just like slapping it to like relieve the pain. But basically my nipple got so bad that it was like pussing and stuff. And so anything that I wore, and like, I don't wear bras, and I wasn't wearing bras like at all back then. And when I was wearing them, when I try to take it off, it would be stuck. I'm so glad I don't have this issue anymore. Fuck, it was horrible. It would be stuck to my nipple and I'd have to like peel off whatever it was that I was wearing. Oh my god, so disgusting. And I really just didn't want to accept that I had to take it out. So I didn't take it out for a while. I was just like, you know, hoping for the best. And I don't even think I went to see anyone for a long time about it. I thought it would go away, basically. I was just making sure it was clean and hoping that it would go away because I didn't want to let go of a nipple piercing because it's fucking sexy and it's cool as fuck. But it got to the point where I had to, because it was literally seeping everywhere and it was just horrible and it was just like really getting me down. And so I went to see a dermatologist. And you know what? Can't even lie, I don't remember exactly what they said to me. I think when I googled it, I came up with the conclusion that it was seborrheic dermatitis, which I think is eczema of the sweat glands basically, but I can't remember what it was. But they fucking prescribed me this cream. I was so vexed, yeah, that I had not taken these steps before, because no joke, after like maybe like even like 3 times of me applying that cream, like maybe like over like a few days, my nipples started to clear up like that, and I'd gone, must have been a few years. I had already taken out the piercing, but I still had the same issue with my nipple. The skin still hadn't healed. But this cream, it changed the game. It sorted it out. It's gone. I don't get an itchy nipple anymore. But now what I am left with is different nipples. So I got a boob cast done so you can actually see the difference in my nipples. So here is my boob cast, and this is my nipple that was infected. This is the one that's not. Anyway, that's my nipple piercing horror story. I'm gonna read out some of yours and see what's going on. I'm really intrigued to know like what is up. Do you know what I mean? I'm really intrigued to know like how bad it can be, or like just whatever. So let's get into it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new around here, I really would appreciate you subscribe. Or if you're one of those people that watches and I come up on your homepage as like suggested, but you're still not subscribed, I'd really appreciate you subscribe, because if you didn't, last week in the last video I lost 5 strands of hair if you didn't subscribe. This week it's going to be 30. Dramatic, but I'm going to lose 30 strands of hair if you don't subscribe. I'm worth it. I won't let you down. I pinky promise. Someone walked into me right after I got them done and I cried all the way home holding my tatties. I'm sorry to laugh at your pain, but can you imagine just seeing someone walking down the road crying, holding their tits? That's actually funny. I'm sorry though. Right after you got them done. You know when I got mine done, it actually wasn't that painful. It was just like, and then afterwards I started to experience some pain. Like when I went into Primark afterwards, was standing in the queue and I just got some mad shooting pains in my titty. Oh, when you wake up and find white sheets, red, thinking you had your period, but it's from your nipple. Shit, shit, shit. I don't know if that ever happened to me, but you know what did happen to me? If I'm laying on my front in bed whilst my nipple was pussing, and if I wake up in that position, I try and peel off and then I've got crust on there. Ew! Oh, so disgusting. This seems like a similar one to me. It's not really a horror story, but they never heal. I ended up having to take one of mine out because it was constantly oozing with pus and it was so fucking painful and swollen. Legit, that's exactly what mine was like. It was painful, it was swollen, and now I've constantly got a swollen nipple. And it's so hard, yeah, because I'm just like, I really miss having it. Then I've contemplated getting the other one done, but I'm like, nah, I just can't fucking risk it, man. Tore during sex and was so infected, my bra would often get fused to it before healed. I thought I was the only one. I actually thought I was the only one. I'm so sorry to hear it tore during sex though. Fuck. Tore. Wait, tore? As in it tore out? My partner got too rough and accidentally ripped it. I got them redone vertically after. Vertically? Huh, interesting. I never knew you could get it that way instead of that way. Fuck. When you lot are saying ripped it and tore, do you mean like you tore your it tore your nipple off? What, like boyfriend got his necklace caught on it during sex, pulled away, as didn't realise why I was screaming and ripped half of it out. My soul legit left my body. Fuck, this is bad. This is so bad. Oh my god, I can imagine. It's the fact that it got caught on his chain and he pulled away. Oh yeah, this is actually making me cringe way more than I thought. I didn't even anticipate that I'd feel cringy about this. This is mad. See, this is it. Caught my nipple bars on a bath loofah and ripped it out. Ripped to my nips. This is what I'm talking about. You know those loofahs, you know, I know exactly what you mean. I've got one in the bathroom. The exfoliating, but like the ones. Them ones, that's happened to me before. It didn't tear out, luckily I managed to catch it before I ripped the whole thing out. But that's next. That's just horrible. And it's just something that it's like so ingrained in the part of your daily life that you kind of forget about it as well. Not mine, but someone told me once she pulled what she thought was a scab and it was a nerve ending. She ended up blacking out. What do you mean it was a nerve ending? Because you know, you often get little scabs on there and then you just like, you know, pick it away. A nerve ending. Oh, shit. Fuck. Would you guys be interested in me doing like reaction videos to like your horror stories of certain things? Do you know what I mean? Let me know what you think, because I feel like my reactions right now, I'm just like, fucking hell, this is madness. Oh, fuck. I sucked a titty with one and the piercing fell out in my mouth and I swallowed most of it. Oh, did you see it in your shit, babes? My dog jumped up on me when I wasn't wearing a bra, nearly ripped my nipple off. Can you imagine nipple piercing torn out due to dog's claws? Oh, shit. No problems in... Wait, so I've got pins and needles. I can't pretend that I don't. Oh, this is what you get for sitting cross-legged on the floor like you're in primary school. Is the best thing when you've got pins and needles to shake it off or just to try and stay as humanly still as possible? Humanely? As still as possible. I ran out of incense. I'm really sad about it. I need to buy some more. What's your favourite incense? Whilst we're waiting. Okay, we're back, babes. Piercing slowly rejected. Had a hole form on top of my nipple and could see the bar. White scar and could see the bar. Piercing slowly rejected. Had a hole form on top of my nipple. Oh shit! Wow, yeah. What's it like when a piercing rejects? Shit, oh my god. Oh, fuck, mate, that sounds shit. A hole formed on top of your nipple so that you could see the bar going through. Oh, mate, that must have been fucking tragic. Ripped one out on holiday, didn't have a first aid kit, had to wear an eye patch on my tit. Sorry, I'm just visualising an eye patch on your tit. That's brilliant. Well, it's not, but it is. I'm sorry that happened, but also that's funny. I caught it on the shower door and it tore. I really hate these, like, these words. Tore, ripped, what are those? Are they adjectives? What's an adjective? Is it a describing word? Fuck, man, that's crazy. Oh! My girlfriend got her stuck in a metal fan when she had no bra on and went to put on a t-shirt. I can't find the rest of that, but fucking hell, your nip, they got stuck on a metal fan. Shit, wow. I was asleep and my blanket was caught on my piercing, and when I rolled over it ripped half out. Oh, fuck. Pierced through my areola instead of my nipple on both nipples, almost passed out. Oh my god, you should have sued them. Whoa. What? When I had it done, she must have caught a nerve, but it made a vein on my palm stick out for 1 hour. Isn't it so interesting how, like, our nerves are all connected, and, like, one nerve affected in one area will affect a different part of your body differently? It's so interesting. This one's got me confused, boy. Shut mine in a fucking microwave. A week after being pierced. I don't even know how, but it was painful as hell. I know you just said you don't know how, but how the fuck does one shut their fucking nipple in a fucking microwave? Or maybe you got big titties. I guess that could happen. Yeah, I guess that is possible, but fucking hell, a week after you got them done as well, they're not even healed yet. That's tragic. There's so many people in here saying that they've got it caught on a loofah. So many people saying that they got it caught shut. They fucking got it ripped off on the door or in the shower. And so many people saying that it's never healed. And I hear you, mate. For me, it never fucking healed. Oh shit, my mate had a bar put in that was so small her boob ate it and had to be removed at A&E. Oh my god, shit, it just like swallowed that shit right up.
That's what she said.
I'm sorry. I leant over the till to help someone in a wheelchair pay and got stuck to the D-tagger. It's funny because I'm visualizing it. Okay, that is all I'm gonna do for today. I've looked at all of them, so all of yours have been read. We just don't have enough time to do it all. But thank you so much for sharing those stories. If you want to get a nipple piercing or piercings, by all means, go for it, hun. But just know, all of these are possibilities. It might not heal. You'll get it caught on a loofah. You'll get it caught in a door, in a microwave. Someone will tear it out when they're fucking you. Someone will get caught on your bra. It could get past. There's a lot that could go wrong. It's really tragic. If you're gonna get it done, you gotta make sure you're getting it done by professionals, by places you can trust. Don't do no back alley. Don't try and get it cheap. Nipple piercings can also be a bit pricey. It's your nipples, man. You can't fuck about with that shit. You gotta do what you gotta do, okay? Let me know if you'd like me to make any more kind of videos like this. Like, what horror stories would you like to hear about? Comment down below. Let a bitch know. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, do what the fuck you want to do, but most importantly, have a wonderful day and a wonderful life, and I will see you back here very soon, babes. Much love. Peace.